Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Jay. We're back with a YouTube video. Hey, what's up, guys? It's oh my god, it's about 8 o'clock. It's literally 7:42. So Allison's gonna pick me up. Hey, look, my fridge is getting pretty packed though. I literally yesterday, I'm really proud of myself. On my day off, I actually made me that's all prepped meals for work. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited that I'm just excited I'm actually doing things like that. I've been trying to prep meals for like 2 weeks now, and I finally did it yesterday. So proud of myself. Allison's gonna come pick me up, and I'm not gonna lie, Allison have not hung out with me for like a week. I haven't seen this bitch. I mean, we FaceTime every day and shit, but not as much as usual. Like maybe like a 5-second FaceTime every day. We used to hang out 24/7, but somehow she don't got no fucking time for me. So she is hanging out with me today, but guess what? We're doing freaking chores because remember, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know, like, we used to, like, pick up poop from people and all. Like, she literally gets paid $20 per person just to go in their yard once a week and just pick up dog poop, you know, and dead ass, it's like one small dog. So it takes 2 seconds. So we're gonna do that, and then we're probably gonna go out to eat. Yeah. And, yeah, I'm just waiting for her now. Just peeking out the window. There's the hoe herself, pulling in strong. Hey, what's up, hoe? Here, take this. I don't know.
Blue. What kind of... Is this from a different country or no?
I don't know.
I don't think that's...
I can't find it.
What?
I don't think that's... Is it good?
No, it's horrible. Try it.
No.
Hey, it's great.
No,
It's great.
I don't think you were outside yet. I was going to ask you to bring me a drink.
Oh, well, I did. Drink it. Please try it on the camera. It's not good.
Where did you get it from?
I bought it when I was with Alex. We went to Ivy, last week. What do you think? You didn't take a drink, you liar. No, that's not a cop.
Oh.
It's like a Ford Edge. I don't think cop cars are Ford Edge.
It's a Chevy.
That's a Ford.
Oh,
That's a Ford. I know my cars. I've been detailing for a while.
I work at a shop.
I worked at a shop longer than you've worked at a shop.
Roll up the windows.
Roll up that ass.
It's not bad.
Oh, okay, then you can have it. All right, we're gonna jam out now. We're gonna do our thing. Oh, what?
Small sip. That big one got me.
All right. Bye.
So you're recording this?
Yep, we're picking up hoop now. We're doing our side hustle jobs. We used to watch their dog too. We got videos of Bentley. He's a cute dog. But oh yeah, get down and dirty with the deuces. We got 2 more houses after this. Oh, you're getting down and dirty.
Clay, get back here.
Round 2. I hold bag. She picks up poop.
Again. Clay, you got.
I'll
do both. You can just talk to the camera.
Hey, no, I'm kidding. I'll help.
No, because you don't hold the bag.
Yes, I was just telling him round 2, and then I'm gonna put the camera down.
Well, you're still not. My face got one in it. Clay. Are you sure your people on this? You don't just think we're just getting bags and picking up at my mom's house or something?
Well, these are 3 different houses, so we got 3 different houses, the 3rd house, and then we're done. All right, this is my favorite song at the moment.
Aren't you gonna get copyrighted?
Not if I don't. Maybe. I don't know. I don't get paid that much, anyways. All right, my favorite song, guys. Hey. You know the song?
Yeah. What it is? So. Oh, that was scary.
Gotta roll down the window for this.
Oh. What it is? So.
Hey,
What's up?
hey, this song gonna get down and dirty. Hey, down and dirty.
You about kicked my shifter in the park. Whoa. Look. Ow!
What is it? Is it curb day? 10-piece, baby. Hey. God, I love this song.
Ooh, we don't breathe like rainbow. What's up? Every good girl needs a little thug.
We're gonna play your favorite song.
Okay. What's my favorite song?
This is your favorite
Your
song.
phone's staying.
This is your favorite song. Do you not even know it right now?
It's really good.
Yeah, this is not your favorite song?
I just like it.
Oh my god, this song.
The next day, I think.
This song used to be the shit.
I can rap this.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, I won't press the gas.
I never fucked Wayne, I never fucked Drake. All my life, man, fuck's sake. If I did, I'm a nut, but never let him eat my ass like a cupcake. I'm a man fool, he just ate. I don't duck nobody but tape.
What?
Yeah, that was a setup
Okay.
for a punchline on duct tape. Worry about if my butt fake. Worry about y'all niggas are straight. These girls are my sons, Johnny K. +8. When I walk in, sit up straight. I don't give a fuck if I was late. Dinner with my man on a G5 is my idea of an update. Hut 1, hut 2. Big titties, big butt 2. Fuck with them real niggas who don't tell niggas what they up to. Like the shell bitches with the top bees. Ring finger with a rocky.
Just come from that video, you know LA traffic got the city slow. She was sitting down on that big
what?
bud, but I was still staring at the titties though. Yeah,
Alright, we gotta go.
Maybe high key, I been peep that you like me, you know.
We're full.
I forgot to film, guys, but this is our food. She literally got the whole place of beans, a whole plate of beans,
Yeah.
and didn't even touch it.
They're watery.
Oh. Maybe Brian will eat it.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
This is our food. We're hanging out. We're chilling. It's probably 9 o'clock now, right? I'm tired, dude. I got a busy schedule now. Hung out with you all day today. Actually, we only hung out for like 2 hours. I got ninja classes tomorrow.
And then the next day, me.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
You're actually gonna hang out with me again?
Yeah.
Thursday?
Yes.
Tomorrow's Thursday.
Oh.
No, tomorrow's Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay. Damn, I got a big. And then
I'll be there Thursday.
and then Friday ninja class again.
And then Saturday.
You?
Maybe.
My God, my schedule's busy.
And Sunday.
You? Wait, Alex. Sunday I'm hanging out with Alex.
On Sunday waterfall.
Yeah, we're going to waterfall. Well, maybe. I don't want to like say it if we don't, but I think I want to go to waterfall with Alex. But yep. This is us. Hey everybody. We've been the loudest ones here lately.
I'm sorry. It's embarrassing to be with him regardless. So I am.
Why? Should you tell Clayton on YouTube? Follow me. Okay, all right, guys. Allison feels awkward because I'm recording. All right, bye, guys. All right, guys. It's the next day, and it's my first class. I took it's called Adult Ninja class, but it's kind of like American Ninja Warrior course. It's like a course, you know, like a strength training course. And I'm pretty excited. We're going now. It's 7 o'clock. It starts at 8, but it is like half hour away. So I'm gonna get there early because like I know you guys see me as like a very social, like extrovert, which I am. But like when I do something for the first time by myself, like in like an uncomfortable situation, like I'm very shy. Okay, but like just give me like 2 times going, and then I'll be like the class clown there. I'll be like, "What's up, guys?" So, but right now I am really nervous. I know I'm gonna enjoy it, you know, because that's kind of like some stuff I like, you know, like it's gonna be like kind of parkour-y kind of stuff, and that's the stuff I like. Like I wanted to take a gymnastics class there, but it's only 18 and under, so I had to take the adult classes, which are like ninja courses, which is still gymnastics-y, like it's in the same like category, so it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm nervous, I'm scared, I'm gonna be pretty shy, I feel like, mostly because I joined a random class, like they've already been going, you know, weekly, like 3 times a week. So I'm just joining a class and they're already probably way more advanced than me. So I'm going to be like the beginner while everyone else is going to be a pro, which is going to be really scary, but it's fine. I'll tell you how I feel after the class, but I need to go now because I want to get there early and kind of like check out the area. You feel me? So yeah, see you there. All right, guys, I am here. I'm a little nervous right now because it looks really difficult, and I have no upper body strength, and this is literally all upper body strength, but I'm gonna tell you how it goes after. Yeah. All right, guys, I am back home now. I am so exhausted. A long day. It's literally 10:45. I mean, I've been home for probably like 45 minutes. I think I got here at probably like, I don't know. I've been here for a bit, you know, laying down, going to TikTok, which I need to stop. I need to stop going on. Like, I need to stop consuming so much social media because I know that's bad. That's bad. It's so addicting and it makes you lazy and tired. I need to stop. I'm I'm trying to stay more. Actually, I'm going to stop because this class is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days. But Thursday's open gym, which means you go there and you can do anything. Usually they say that's the day they like to do tricks, like backflips from. Like we did backflips today. I didn't because I don't know how to yet, but I trained to do one. So hopefully soon I will be able to do a backflip. I'm gonna start making goals. I got a journal, that I've been journaling lately, and I'm gonna write all my goals I want to get done in this class. And it's hard for me to make, like, my thing is, like, it's hard for me to make friends. It's hard for me to make any kind of relationships, like friendship, anything, because I expect a lot, like I want someone that's in my life that's going to motivate me, that's going to be inspiration. I want to grow. I want to become better. I don't want to be like, I don't know. I just want to become better. That's a part of life, is growing and becoming better every single day. And I'm in the same room as 2 American Ninja Warrior contestants. My coach is he went on it 2 times. And then this other guy, I think he's also a coach there, but he was like, today that one was coaching, but I think he's also a coach. And just everyone there so amazing, so nice. And that was the hardest workout I've ever done in my entire life. Like right when we started, we ran like 2 miles. Like that's starting. It's like, come on guys, run 2 miles outside. That's how we started it. Then we did 100 pull-ups. I did not do 100. I did 17 pull-ups in 10 minutes, which I'm proud of myself. I'm going to write it down in my journal. I'm going to do all that. I'm going to try to get better every single day. There were so, it was so awesome. That was the most amazingest class ever. And I'm going to be so strong. Already. Holy crap. Do you not see that? No, I'm not fucking lying. This side's a little lower, but I'm left-handed. But holy motherfucker. It was it's all upper body strength, it's parkour. We literally played the floor is lava, and it was amazing. It was the most. Now I need to go to bed because I work tomorrow. So love you guys. Bye.